I'm Jeff Macy, the principal at North Hardin High School, and I can tell you that our open house was a good place to be for students to come and find out what we offer and what is available to them. A great night for them to meet their teachers. North Hardin has a lot of diversity. We want you to come and be part of our family and make yourself at home and find your niche. So whatever you want to do, you can follow pathways, you can explore classes and try to find out what you're interested in before you graduate. But more importantly, you can learn while you're here and find out how best to learn for the rest of your life. Come to North Hardin High School, home of the Trojans.
Hello, I am Tiandra Parker, and I am the 9th grade assistant principal at North Hardin High School.
And I'm Jordan Elliott. I'm the 11th grade assistant principal at North Hardin High School. And tonight we're having our open house for students of all different grade levels. And we want all of our students and families to know that we are excited about this upcoming school year. So if you haven't come on down, you can head this way. And we are looking forward to our 24-25 school year.
Well, we know that, starting school for our freshmen, it can be a time that is a time of nervousness. And so we have set aside time for our freshmen where they can come in by themselves, get acclimated to the school. We've been meeting our freshmen, helping their parents to walk around and know where they need to go. We want our freshmen to know it's going to be an exciting year. It's going to be an awesome year. So we took time and set them aside so that we could really dedicate time just to our freshmen this year.
Hi, my name is Mackenzie Sullivan. I am the new Youth Services Center coordinator here at North Hardin High School. Tonight we are at our open house for freshmen and any incoming high schooler here at North Hardin. For those of you that don't know what a youth service center is or they're not familiar with it, we help kids with anything from their head to their toes, from mental health counseling to socks and anything in between. So if you find yourself needing clothes or counseling or anything of that nature, we just ask that you pop by the youth service center and we can help you.
Hi, I'm Miss Laws. We're at North Hardin High School's open house. And one thing I want people to know about North Hardin is that our kids are fantastic. Our kids are resilient, our kids are intelligent, and our kids love to be at North, and our teachers love to teach them. So.
All right, I am Stephanie Dow at North Hardin High School. I teach chemistry, and we are here at open house tonight. And I just want everyone to know that we are so excited here for our classes and to have just everyone come in just to greet us. I know that specifically for me, I just want people to know that we are doing project-based learning and that we are going to be doing lots of labs, which is what kids really want to do in science.
Hello, my name is Matthew Sharp, and I am a social studies teacher here at North Hardin High School.
I haven't looked that far ahead
yet. One of our civics and economics classes and a multicultural studies class, which is an elective here. But we're here at open house tonight. Getting to meet and greet students for the upcoming school year, getting to meet parents, helping students and parents as well, get to know the building, get to know what their classes are like.
But a little bit more specifically down here in our civics wing, we're going to talk all about American government and everything going on with the Constitution as kind of our guiding document, and giving students the opportunity to form their own beliefs and not tell them what to believe, but give them the opportunity to become an informed thinker and an informed individual once they get out of high school. That's kind of our goal down here in civics class.
Hello, I am Brandy Geyser and I teach business and marketing. I'm also North Hardin's co-op coordinator. We are so excited to welcome our new students back for the 24-25 school year. We've had a lot of students come in to explore their schedules, to learn about co-op opportunities, to meet some of our community stakeholders, and we cannot wait for the kids to get back in the building.